Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Keenan went to Grace Church School in the East Village. Tuition for the coeducational private school costs more than most colleges, more than $53,000 for the 2020-2021 school year. She then enrolled at the University of Southern California before transferring to NYU. 6 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cynthia Rowley. Kit's mom is Cynthia Rowley, who founded her own fashion line in the 1980s and became a well-respected designer over the last few decades. Per Celebrity Net Worth, Cynthia Rowley is worth $100 million from running her fashion empire. 4 January 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.